you're in a greenfield site like we are, and you can start from scratch, you build only what you need, only the precise tools that you need, doing what needs to be done to satisfy the customer, delivering excellence and not having any waste around that. There's so much space here. The lot that we've bought gives us the ability to expand. Not only would we expand in jobs per hour, we would also expand on selections that the customer gets. We got to build the factory exactly how we wanted it, exactly what delivers to the customer, exactly the investment required to do that, and exactly the value that we deliver to the corporation. That greenfield strategy is the way to do that. As you can kind of see behind me, from a body construction perspective, everything's in, and we're in our tool tryout phase. So we are building units. The tool tryout process is the beginning of our trajectory to start production within the factory. Building the car successfully with the tools, verifying that simulation work, and implementing it as quickly as possible. The tool tryout process is just that. As we go into release candidate, as we go to starting of production, we're on a continual climb to more production, higher quality, and always confirming that for every car that we build.